Kushwa. I study in class 8. Today is national level science and art competition in my school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri. It is organized by Amity University, Gwalior. Now it's time to show my project. This is my project. This is working model of volcano. Here my partner took 5 spoon of Eno and he put. And now he put soda, 1 spoon of soda. At the end, I pour color, red color. And next was vinegar. Look at here, this is magma outer from the earth.
Of class 9. Today is national level science and art exhibition in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy. It is organized by Amity University, Gwalior. My project is drip irrigation of plants by water. Material used in it are.
Good morning to all. My name is Vaibhav Yadav of class 9th student. Today is national level exhibition, science and art exhibition in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri. It organized by Amity University, Gwalior. My project is smoke catcher. Its function is catch the smoke during fire. It is used in school, factories, homes, etc. Thanks a lot to.
Well, my name is Arpiton, student for class 8. Today is national level science competition and art competition. It in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy. It organized by Amity University, Gwalior. This is my project, working volcano. She material, baking soda, and Eno. And water.
Good morning to all. I am Krishna Badoria, student of class 8. Today is national level science and art competition in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri. It is organized by Amity University, Gwalior. My project is Smart City.
Good morning to all. I am Vidushi from class 9th and today is national level science and art competition in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, and it is organized by Amity University, Gwalior. So my project is about the remote sensing equipments, how we can call and just open or close anything where we want to do in from the any corner of the world. So this is setup. The materials used in this setup are first the DC motor, and the main is the mobile, and I have connected the DC motor to the mobile's speaker and one of the batteries. So this is the setup, and we have used the compass for the terminals, positive and negative, and these are the wirings and which connect the bulb which will glow when we call. Now if we want to call anybody, so we can call and just open the bulb, calling. So when the phone will ring, then you can see this. This is the touching part of this motor and the bulb will glow. The current will pass through these wires and bulb will glow. When we just stop it, then it will close off, means it will we will switch off the lights. So this is my setup. It is mainly used in agriculture purpose, or we can use in metropolitan cities where people.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vaibhav Kumar, student of class 8. Today is National Level Science and Art Competition in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri. It is organized by Amity University of Gwalior. My project is solar power car. Its function is bring energy of sun rays and to the motor and rotate the tire. Thank you to Blooming Birds Zion Academy and Amity University of Gwalior. Thank you.
Is Neera Singh, student of class 9. Today is my science and art. Today is my science and art competition. It is organized by Amity University of Gwalior. Today is my art presentation. His name is Lord Shiva, and these material used fabric colors, brushes, and hardboards. Thank you and have a nice day.
Well, my name is Kritika Kuchwa from class 4th. Today is National Science and Art Competition in my school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri. This is my sketch. There is a girl in it. She wear a cap. Thanks to my school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri, and Amity University, Gwalior, to give me a chance to show my talent.
Mostly the Lord Shiva, and in the Gupta dynasty there are many of the medicines, Zero, Aryabhatta, related many things. And this is good morning to all. Myself Samriddhi Pachori from class 6. Today we are going to learn about rainwater harvesting. In rainwater harvesting, we will see about this house. This is a house in which rainwater is collected in this tank, and when we pull out, this is the stopper. When we take it out, then the water goes from this pipe to into these, and you can see in these pipes the water can be seen by you.
This uses
Move forward and
thank you.
My name is Upasana Tiwari from class 5th, and today I am going to show my all drawings. Here a girl with a mouse and eating the cake, and eat the cake to the mouse. Here
All our names are. My name is Anfraj. My name is Pradal Tiwari. My name is Ansaf. My name is Ayush Pal. My name is Rishabh Pal. My name is Parthiv. Today we are going to tell about rainwater harvesting. In this model,
Today we are going to tell you about rainwater harvesting in this Zone Academy, Manpuri. My model is uses of solar energy and wind energy. When these both get.
To all, I am Vidushi from class 9th, and today is the national level science and art competition in our school, Blooming Birds Zion Academy, Manpuri, and it is organized by Amity University, Gwalior. These are some of the paintings. This is the girl in the rainy season. This is the village view. This is the natural beauty of nature. This is also the same, but in the reflection form. Here is also the reflection of the forest. Here is the Arjun and Dronacharya. Dronacharya is teaching Arjun. Here is the mother's love. This is African beauty, which is showing the love towards the children. This is the art of Radha and Krishna. This is the Mona Lisa painting, which I have tried to do so. This is the yoga, and this is the farm beauty, in which girl is carrying husk of wheat. This is the Mother Earth, trying to say that save Earth. She is carrying Earth in her hands. Thank you.